Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to style your tables in Microsoft Word. So as you can see here, I'm in Microsoft Word and I have a table here in this document, and I would like to style it, make the design look really nice and not have it basic like this. So how do we do that? Once you have your table, guys, all you have to do is just ensure that you click on the table. Once you click on the table, you will have the design option available at the top here, so you can click on designs and you will see that you have a lot of different table designs shown here. Now all you have to do, you can now from here you can go ahead and you can click this drop down and you can select various table designs as you wish. So let's say I want to use something plain, or I want to use something with grids, or I want to use something with a list. I can go ahead and I can choose that. You can also click on modify table styles by clicking on that, and you can basically play around this gives you more option over how you want things to look, so you can go ahead and you can change that as well. But if I just want something pretty basic, I can simply click on that and I can just find something that works for me, and I can go ahead and I can choose them. Now if you hover over them, you can see how it looks, but if you want to basically choose something, then you have to click the drop down and what's going to happen is that you will not really be able to see it. If you want to still see it, you have two options. You don't have to click the second drop down, but instead you want to use the two first arrows, and that will take you into a second line. That way, once you hover those different style or design, you can still see what the design look like until you find something. So nothing looks good here. I click this second drop down here, it goes to the next line, and I can still see what these different styles look like. And you do that until you go through the entire design, until you find something that really works for you. But that's it, guys. Once you find whatever you like, you can just simply go ahead and basically you can just select that option, and that's it. And that's how easy it is to style your table in Microsoft Word. That's it.